So for today's vlog, I will be featuring the chapter 2 and 3 of the Museum of the Future. So now I'm heading towards the Hill Institute, where we are going to know more about the ecological system in the Amazon.
Today's focus is the rainforest, in particular Amazon, South America's green heart, and the largest rainforest in the world. The Amazon is amazing. The forest generates half of its own rainfall by recycling water through trees. A water molecule traveling across the Amazon can fall as rain up to 6 times. Sadly, in some parts of the Amazon, years of deforestation have broken the cycle, changing huge parts of this ancient forest to dry savanna. As you saw on Oasis Hope, many of these dry parts are now on fire. But we can do something about it. Today, you will help to heal one of our planet's natural treasures and discover the invisible contribution it makes to our world.
So in this side is the DNA lab, where hundreds of species of animals, insects, sea creatures, plants, and seeds are kept in this very colorful suspended glass jars. After exploring the Hill Institute, I'm just going down now to the Waha, or the Oasis in English. Just took the elevator down because I'm just too lazy to take the stairs because I've been roaming for around 30 minutes. And I am just going to the entrance of Waha. So in here we are going to experience the future of wellness, traveling to a sanctuary free from digital world, and we are going to reconnect our human senses, where we can find inner peace for the mind, body, and spirit.
Okay, so welcome to the University Harmony. This is a connection therapy, as you can see. It's all about connection. And I want you to start humming. The louder you are, you can sing. So really connecting. And then there will be a strong smell. Can you smell it? Yeah. So that's another gift from us. So yeah, smell it. So it just shows many ways things you can achieve just by connecting with each other. The vibration. Yeah. The vibration. The vibration, the light, and the scent. Yeah. So it's not only a small thing, it just shows you can achieve many great things just if you work together, and rather than choosing to be alone, choosing to be with other people and other people. Start humming. The louder you are, the faster it moves. And then there will be a strong smell coming out. The speakers will all smell it. So that smell is a gift for harmony. It's just a way for showing you things you can achieve when you're together.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!